Hello, good morning, children. So, how are you all? I think you all are happy, healthy, and fine. So, again, I am here to take your biology class, and we are going to continue the same chapter. And the chapter is Improvement in Food Resources. So, here I am going to take the another topic, and then topic is need for increasing food production. So, what is the need to increasing food production? Clear? So according to survey of India, in between 1952 to 2010, there was a survey, and in that survey we found that total cultivated area was increased. In between these years, total cultivated area was increased, and according to that, total production, four time production also was increased. Clear? So four time production, if four time production was increased, so what was the role and what was the method used by the farmers? That was the question. So some unique methods they were used, and then after they got a maximum production, and that four time increase production between that those years. Clear? So here we are going to study about the what are the practices and what are the methods they can use at that time. So first method was there. First is the selection of seed. So quality seed, they were selected the quality seeds. So that was the first major point. And the second point, the nourishment of crop, that growing crop, nourishment of growing crop, and that is the nourishment as well as management of the growing crop. And that was the second major practice, and then second major that method related to that. Clear? And now the third one is that growing crop, as well as that management and protection of growing crop, as well as that harvested crop. Clear? So after harvesting, there there is also the need to protect and need to that proper management, proper storage management, and proper that management regarding that after cutting and after harvesting the crop. So these are the three major events they can use in that time. So due to that improved or that maximum quality production, again we are going to study what events or what practices that necessary or essential to get a maximum production. So here, if we are going to study, so classify we can classify some events, we can classify some methods, we can classify some practices to get a improved and as well as maximum production in crop yield. Clear? So we can classify three major practices and major that is system, or three major events uh, that related to that production. Clear? And what production we are going to study? That crop production, that is the major crop production. So according to that, there will be a three major events or three practices are there. So here we can study about that. It is related to, and that is the first major event, first major necessary event, that is crop variety. Here you can see that is the crop variety improvement. Crop variety means the one type of crop having so many varieties, so which improved variety we can take and to get a good production, that is important. And second will be the crop production improvement. So crop production improvement means quality as well as quantity. Quality as well as quantity production, increase the quantity also and increase the quality also. So that is related to second point, and that is also essential and necessary point, that crop production improvement. And this one, and third one is the crop crop protection management, and it is related to nourishment also. It is related to nourishment also, that growing crop and after that harvesting crop. Clear? So growing crop, when all the growing plants on the field, and then practical field area and in the natural environment, at that time total nourishment as well as protection is must necessary for the crop plant. And after that harvesting process will be there, cutting of plants and cutting of crop or harvesting. So after harvesting there will be essential things and necessary things to protect the harvested crop, and to manage the harvested crop in a store and in a storage zone. So if we are taking the good system and we are taking the good type of improved method to store the food and store the harvesting crop, so that will be beneficial for the production, and that will be give the best and quality type of production. So these are three major things which I have already explained. That is the crop variety. First is crop variety improvement, second is crop production improvement, and third is the crop production management. So all these three are essential method to improve our production in. And what is the major, if we are going to that define what is the basic production, so it is the limited area. The definition is, in one time in limited area, if we are getting a maximum quality and maximum quantity of production, so that is the good event, that will be the best event, and that will be the good event for us, and it will give a good production to us. So now we are going to study the first major activity, and that is crop variety improvement. Clear? So in that major activity, that is very essential to select the seed, to select the variety. So here, what is the criteria to select the variety or select the seed? So first major criteria over there, and that is the resistance power of seed. So what is the meaning of resistance? What is the meaning of resistance power? That seed can resist in each and every circumstances, each and every that climate, and each and every related to each and every facilities. For example, if dry zone is there, so there will be no effect on seed. If that proper water is not providing to the plant or seed, so there will be no effect. If dry zone area is there, so there will be no effect on seedling. And if there will be a maximum humidity over there, so there will be no effect on seeds. So these are the criteria. And if heavy cold over there, and that will also not affected the seedling of the seed or seedling of the plant. So that is called the resistance power of the seed. Clear? And the variety. Now second is it is the response with fertilizer. Second major need, all to select the plant here, and to select the seed. Second major quality is there, and that is the main response with fertilizer. If that growing plant responds with fertilizer and then increase their productivity, so that will be far better and it is useful for the productivity of plant. And third will be the third is the that quality and that response to that quality and high yield that production of high yield quality. High yield quality means what I have already explained. In a one time, in one limited area, if we are getting a maximum quality production, so that is called high yield. So three major that qualities are important for the first point. It is related to first point. And what was the first point? That crop variety improvement. Clear? And due to that, there will be a one process to improve the variety, and that is called crossbreeding. Clear? That is called crossbreeding. And what is crossbreeding? Crossbreeding, another that scientific word is called hybridization. That is called hybridization. And hybridization as well as crossbreeding. So crossbreeding between the different plant, different variety. Clear? So there will be a three major crossbreeding process here we are going to study. So first is called